or Deepavali. You can call both the names. Deepavali means, it is the combination of two words, Deep and Avli. Deep means lights and Avli means row. So the row of lights. And this is the great Indian festival. As you are celebrating your Christmas here in United States, this is the same kind of, you can say, the biggest festival in India. This is the one of the most biggest festival of Hindu families. All the Sikhs, Sikh, the people with turban on the head, they celebrate Diwali as well. Jain, different communities in India, they celebrate Diwali. Diwali is the way of celebration is same as you are celebrating here the Christmas, with lights, with candles, with flowers, with gifts. Everything is the same way we celebrate. Why we celebrate in India the Diwali? The main reason behind that is Lord Rama. I hope you know that, but if you don't know that, the goddess, the god, we have so many god in India. So the Lord Rama, he came back after 14 years of his exile, or you can say vanvas, if you know that the word in Hindi. He came back after 14 years, and people welcome him with the lights and flowers and everything. So that's why we celebrate Diwali every year. Diwali comes in the month of Kartik. Kartik is from mid-October to mid-November. That in between the Diwali day comes every year, and we celebrate the celebration for 5 days. The main day of the Diwali, we worship goddess Lakshmi. That is the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and she is the especially the farmers in India, they especially pray the goddess of wealth, because they need the harvest for next year. They pray for the good harvest for the next year. So they pray Lakshmi. And on the Diwali, here, like you blow the candles, wax candles. We people use the clay lamps filled with the oil, and then we blow that one. And on the outside of our house, on the main door, we make a rangoli. Rangoli is like a drawing with some colors, but it's not like the pencil color or other color. It's like powdered color, and we make some designs on the main entrance gate of our house. That is the speciality of Diwali. Every house is decorated with that rangoli. And Diwali is like the 5 days celebration, as I told you before. The main day before that, 2 days before and 2 days after, total 5 days. So first day of the celebration is called Dhanteras. Dhanteras means what? Like people buy some gold or something metal, especially the gold and the silver. They took something, jewelry, or you can say anything of gold or anything of silver. Or if you are not able to buy these costly things, then you can buy like metal dishes that you can use in your kitchen also. So people buy that thing on the Dhanteras day, and with that thing we worship our goddess. On the second day we worship Ganesh Puja. Ganesh is the god in Indian culture, and he counts as the first god in India. Like for every puja means pray. Like we sing something in front of God, we ask something, and we join our hand. Like you
please
you pledge in front of your flag and do like this. And our way is the same. Join your hands and worship to the God. And Diwali is the best festival. I always enjoy Diwali. In fact, especially the kids, everybody enjoys Diwali in India. And this is the celebration time government gives 3 days vacations also. We every year we got 3 days holiday, and the festival goes 5 days. And after 1 day, on the main Diwali day, after 1 day we have like it's called Bhai Dooj. I mean, every brother meet his sister, and sister give a band to the brother. That means that brother will protect her whole life. I mean, from her birth to her the end day. I mean, till his end day, brother will protect her sister whole life. So that band means this thing. And we celebrate Diwali, and we give gifts to other people. We decorate our house with lights and balloons, and we wear new clothes every year. I mean, generally in my family, I mean, people think that on every year on Diwali we have to buy new clothes, and we have to do some puja in new clothes especially. And if you guys want to, you people, I mean, want to see the Diwali celebration, you can go in the Hindu temple and you can see the decoration and the way of puja, and you can celebrate that Diwali also. So wish you all a very happy Diwali.